and my dear students, other dignitaries present here, and parents. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the administration of the school for inviting me for this program, and also thanks to Madam for this wonderful band, and this is a unique thing for this block actually. So this is the first school having its own band in Mungiakami. So it's very nice to be a part of this. Why a co-curricular activity is important for a student? I would like to explain. I would like to explain this through a theory. Uh, just I won't elaborate. Just in short. There's one English philosopher, Stuart Mill. So according to him, a student, not as a student, a child has two stage of mind: higher self and lower self. So a lower self child would always think that I cannot do that, I cannot do those, I cannot study hard. I mean, lethargy, everything will, it's a symptom of being in a lower self mind. So for a student to uh, turn his mind from higher self to lower self, lower self to higher self, so he or she needs one medium through which he or she can evolve from lower self to higher self. So according to Mill, this education system, like education, to be honest, I mean to be precise, education system is required uh, for a child to improve his lower self to higher self. So for our Indian perspective, Indian education system, so this medium will be the sports, uh, music, dance, and this band also. So it's part of music only. So that's why this band is important for your studies also. So because for concentration we need some co-curricular activity. We cannot study whole day, as it's not been so long that I have been a student. It's just 7 year or maybe 8 year. So, so I understand. I personally understand that why co-curricular activity is very important for students, especially for lower class students like 3, 4, 5. So they won't understand why. Like for a class 10 student, 9 student, they will understand that why education like studies is important, because they have to get admitted in a good school or something. So that perspective they have. But for a lower class student, lower standard student like class 3, 4, 5, they need co-curricular activities, especially to understand why you need to study. So through this co-curricular activity, they will understand that uh, they will understand their aim in life and everything. Gradually they will understand the whole system of education. So that's why I think, that's why once again I thank the whole administration of Olive Hill Holy Cross School, Tuithampui, for this great approach, and I'll definitely ensure full coordination from our block administration, Mungiakami. So I won't extend much. So thank you.